Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to limit apps on kids' phones with legal monitoring app PanSpy. As Common Sense Media stated, teenagers average about 9 hours consuming media per day, like watching movies, listening to music, playing games, or other social media. Want to know how much time and what they're doing on their smartphones? Well, PanSpy will give you the answer. So how to achieve it? Basically, 3 steps will get it done. Sign up to get account. Install PanSpy app on device and follow the on-screen wizard to set up it. Back to control panel to start monitoring. Now Google www.panspy.com to visit its official website. Here we go. You will get the panorama of what is PanSpy and how it works. Let's tap on applications used to find more info. Tap on to start the journey. Go to sign up to get account. If you already have one, just log in. Now follow the PanSpy setup wizard. Install PanSpy monitoring app on the target device. Log an account on the target device to activate the monitoring service, which enables you to keep the icon or not. Finish installation and authorizations. Now start monitoring. On this control panel, you will get a whole view of target device. Go to Applications, which enables you to search and block the app you want. Refer to App Activity, which gives a clue of what is frequently used apps. Click on Schedule Restriction to set the limitation of using smartphones to balance your kids' life. For instance, let's set bedtime, during which the apps on target device can be accessed. For more info, please visit our homepage of www.panspy.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube. Thanks for your watching and listening. Bye.